You want to blog, so read. You can research top travel bloggers are earning, and they travel solo or with family and explore stunning destinations. They also earn through affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorship. Story of a top blogger. Johnny Ward, his blog One Step Forward. He started his blog with $100 and now he earns millions. He started multiple travel websites and helps others to start their blog. Travel blogging is a real business. So, is travel blogging still profitable in 2025? Be unique in your content, and anyone could become a travel blogger. And you can easily make $500 to $1,000 a month. Choose a travel niche that works: solo female travel, family travel, adventure, sustainable travel, food. Perfect travel blog name. Simple, don't include hyphens or numbers. Keep it short, clear, and easy to spell. Check the availability of tools. Choose the host and website and rank your blog post.